if you want to combine commands, combining the commands. So Unix allow you to specify more than one command in the command line. Already we have done also, like minus L, X, U, whatever. We have done the combination, right? The same way here, that is separately one topic is there combining commands. So yes, Unix allows us to do this. So each command here, that means listen. So previously what we have learned, only for the ls options we were used to combine with minus L, minus X, that is one command. What about cal? Cal is another command. So now I want to combine both together in one line. Is it that possible? Yes, Unix allows us to do that. Whatever who command and ls command you want to combine, yes, you can combine. But when you want to combine multiple commands together in one line, then you have to specify colon at the end of every command, right? That is the one important thing. Like how? You can see here, I have WC note semicolon ls space minus L space note. So instead of note, you can use whatever the directory you have created. So I have created earlier note, and for that I am checking. So now you can combine any command whatever you have. So previously you have run calendar command, right? Now what you do, type calendar cal 2025 semicolon space who. Any command, whatever, it will not work on Windows. Any command. Where is your laptop? Then why you have not come to take help? Simply leave, no need to come, right? Yesterday only you asked, right? It was not working. Then break time, lunch time, after 3:30. Why have not come to meet and ask, get help? Are you getting, guys? Are you getting? Might be will be thinking WC. What is the WC? So I said to combine the command. Okay. I'll come to the first root directory. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I will create a file. How to create a file? Echo space, already pk was given, right? I will give pk1 dot txt. Is it correct? I want to create a file with some information. Is it correct? Is it correct or not? No, it is wrong. First you have to write echo space content. What I want the content? I will give happy morning greater than symbol, and then what I am going to give? File name. You can give any file name. I will give this pkk dot txt. What we are learning here? Combining multiple commands. What I will do? Semicolon, and I will use ls space minus L space my file name pkk dot txt, and I will enter. So you see that? What happened? Command got executed. Yes or no? Even if you want, semicolon space ls space minus h, right? Have you studied minus h? No? Have you studied minus h? Minus h have you studied or not? Not studied. It is ls minus h or who minus h? That's what I am asking. No one is opening. Okay, previous class over, we will forget. Who space minus capital H and U and enter. See that? So all the command, so I am combining 3 different commands here. So this is actually combining the commands. Clear? You can write anything, any command, whatever you want, right? You can combine and you can get the result. Clear? But only the thing is that you have to remember, after first command you should specify semicolon. Clear? How to open? To read, how to read?
Cat.
Read cat. You want to open nano, vi, gedit, anything. If you want to open any file, text file you have created, use any editor, vi, nano, gedit, whatever you want. Okay? Now, next point. So we can send the output of one command to another command, right? So that means output of one command you are going to send to the input, right, to the other command. For that you are going to use the symbol, that is the greater than symbol, redirection symbol, right? You can using redirection symbol, that is called as greater than. So example, you can see that just now we did. So same previous class, previous WC note, then close that, complete command you have to put in bracket and you give redirection symbol, that is greater than, and see what result you are getting. Try now guys. So same you are seeing here, note I am using, right? So instead of note I will use WC space, what I have created here, pkk.txt. If you run this command, you see here, it will give you the word count, that is the WC. So what we have done previously, WC pkk.txt, right, then semicolon, ls space minus l space pkk.txt, right? This was the command, right? When you enter, this is the information I am getting here. Now I said that we have to give output of one command to the input to the other one. So what you have to do, I will just run the previous command. I will close it, give the redirection symbol and I will give P. Okay? So this 2 command has given to the input to the P. Okay? So what happened now? We given the both command output to the some other, right? That is here it is mentioned new list, I have given to the P, right? Now that it will come later on. Now just remember this, we will wait for that. Again another command is there, when we are going to in details we can run. Okay? Or I will give as a task. Listen one thing. So what I have done, I have executed a command, right, combining. 2 command output is given to the one command as a input. Now I have to execute that command. Let's try. What will be the command? Try everyone and tell me the answer. Previously what we did, we combined these 2 commands, right? What we did? Using redirection symbol, we can combine output of this command will be given to the input of other command, right. So, I am given to the new list. Now, I want to see the result what is there into the new list. Explore. Let me see. Try now. See what I did here, because I saved my output, right, as a input for the P. When I enter P, might well think, okay, if I run the P, I will get the output. Command not found. Echo P. P is already a variable, so directly P only will execute. Already we have discussed, we can use cat command to see the information what is available into that. So, I have used P enter